What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're doing great. Hope you're having a great start of this weekend. And welcome to a new video on Worldcoin or WOD. Had to make a video, of course. Has been very bullish over the course of actually started on Thursday. And since then, since the bottom we made on Thursday afternoon, at the very most, WOD has rallied 73%. Very bullish. We'll talk about why that happened, if it's still possible to rally even higher, which looks more and more unlikely, but like I said, we'll talk about that. And in general, we'll just do a full update, all right? I'll try to tell you everything you need to know. Before we dive into WLD though, I do want to mention that I have my own premium trading group as well, in which right now we are also developing a strategy trying to catch rallies like these. And we actually were able to enter WLD down here. So from there, we still had a good rally of about 45%. I think we took most profits at 35%. But yeah, so if you want to know about these rallies more often, we caught quite a lot yesterday, then consider joining. Links will be down in the description or the pinned comment. But for now, let's actually get into the analysis. So first of all, WLD. I've almost said this word too much, but it is manipulated. Like the volume going up 400%, and then especially it coming from BK, Top Credit, OKX, SuperX, and Buybox. That is manipulation, all right? If the volume goes up like that, and you see the price spiking like this, and it comes from these sources, it is manipulated. Now that doesn't mean that it's bullish or bearish. I always say that because that's the truth. It just means that it's a volatile and a lot of things could happen. All right. So at this point of time, what happened is that we went all the way up to the region around the 0.382 fib of the entire move down. So that's quite a strong Fibonacci level. And there we found resistance. Now, technically, WLD is still bullish right now. However, if we take a look at some statistics, which are very important to know, what you'll see is that the volume is still going up, but the open interest is dropping down rapidly. So, like I said, WLD is still bullish, all right? But there are some cracks starting to appear. Like, what will probably happen is that WLD will drop down a little bit lower towards 1.36, 1.39 down here. And then from there, what would need to happen if WLD actually wants to rally up higher is it would need to break above 1.55 again. Because if it breaks above 1.55, that's enough of a bullish breakout to actually get up to 1.75 and then up to the next price target around 1.9. So that is the ideal scenario. That's the most bullish scenario. However, it looks a bit more likely, and that's a bit based on the volume stopping growing, which is actually happening right now, and the open interest dropping down about 25%, a little bit less, like 20% or something. But that together is enough, and then also WLD dropping down like this is enough of a bearish confirmation for me to say that it is more likely. I'm not saying that a bullish scenario like this is impossible. I'm just saying it's more likely in my view right now that WLD will try to grab some liquidity right here from down below, like 1.39 and 1.35. And that it is not able to break above 1.5 and 1.55 again, and that slowly it will lose its momentum and drop down below 1.3, after which it will start to drop down towards 1.15 and 1.1 again. That's the most likely scenario at this point of time in my eyes. If for some reason the volume and the open interest start growing rapidly again, then I will probably be wrong, and that's also why I'm saying this is possible. But if this happens, then just consider me wrong, because I do think this is the most likely scenario. But that's my take on WLD. So if you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.